Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given a question. T power 3 minus T power 4 equals divided by T equals to 12. We are supposed to find the value of T. So let's provide a solution very quickly by copy what we have. We have T power 3 minus T power 4 over T will be 12, and here we can factorize T above to get T open bracket of T squared minus T cube close bracket over T equals to 12. This one will be cancelled to get T squared minus T power 3 equals to 12, and of course you have to try this one. T squared minus T cube minus 12 will be 0, and T squared minus T power 3 minus this 12 can be written as 8 plus 4 equals to 0, so that we will get T squared minus T power 3 minus 8 minus 4 will be 0, so that here we have T squared minus 4 minus here T power 3, then minus here 8, which is equals to 0. And of course here we have to know that we have difference of two squares. We have T minus 2 and T plus 2, but here we can factorize to get minus T cube, then here will be plus 2 power 3 to be equals to 0. Then here at this stage we have T minus 2 times T plus 2 minus open bracket of this one only can be written as T plus 2 times T squared here minus 2T, then plus 4 to be equals to 0. Then because we have T plus 2, which is common, we can factorize it out to get T plus 2 open bracket of T minus 2 minus here T squared, right, minus T squared as we have right here. Okay, then here get minus what we have right here 2T, then plus 4, then close to be equals to 0, so that here we get T plus 2 open bracket of here T minus 2 minus T squared plus 2T, then here will be minus 4 close bracket equals to 0. Then of course here we have T plus 2 open bracket of, we have negative T squared, we have T, and you have this one to get plus 3T, and you have this one minus 6 to be equals to 0. So at this stage we have T plus 2 equals to 0, or negative T squared plus 3T minus 6 will be 0, so that here our T1 is equals to negative 2. So here we can divide negative to get T squared minus 3T, then plus 6 will be 0, and you're supposed to find T2 and 3, which is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and of course this is T2 and 3, which is equals to, this is a 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 4 times 6 over 2. Of course, this is equals to 2, equals to 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 24 over 2. And of course, this will be, here we will get 3 plus or minus square root of negative 15 over 2, so that our final answer we have 3 plus or minus here square root of 15 I over 2, so that this is a t2 and 3. But here we can take this one t, which is equals to negative 2 as the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.